I'm Emma and today I wanted to share my secrets to perfect pancakes. So the trick to having the goldenness of the pancake is the melted butter. If you don't start off with melted butter, it doesn't go golden. So I just like to melt a wee slice of butter in the microwave, which I just do 30-second bursts. So all of the pancakes that I see that don't come out with a perfect golden texture is because they don't melt butter. Now I'm ready to mix together my 3 key ingredients, which are flour, egg and milk. I use either plain or self-raising flour, and I'll let you know in a little bit how to balance this up later. Then I crack in 1 egg. And lastly I add in the milk, just to keep the flour and the milk in equal volumes. Then you can toggle between adding a bit more flour and a bit more milk until you get the perfect consistency, which should be a wee bit runny but still hold the whisk trails in it. Here comes the baking powder. I add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder if it's self-raising flour and 2 teaspoons baking powder if it's plain flour, and then I add a little bit more in for luck. I have never regretted adding too much baking powder. I've never thought, oh, these pancakes are a little bit too fluffy, so always add a little bit extra. I like to sieve my ingredients to make the whisking just a little bit smoother, but it's fine if you don't want to sieve. You can see here the whisk trails are kind of holding in the batter, but it is still very much a liquid. Don't make your batter too thick. I also add in some sugar and some salt here. Now I whisk it for about 2 minutes. Then you basically just want to give the batter time to rest, become room temperature, and a few little bubbles form so the baking soda does its thing. I mean, wait 30 minutes to 2 hours. I've tried to cook pancake batter too hastily. It just doesn't work. I think it's because the milk is cold and it goes onto a hot pan and it just kind of freaks out. So I always wait until my batter is room temperature. Then I make my pan really quite hot. I always prep my pan with a little bit of butter. No one admits this, but the first pancake is always terrible, and for this I do a decoy pancake. Basically the decoy pancake is to mop up all of the butter. Then you're going to go in with your first full pancake. This is what the first pancake looks like. It's not golden, it's not perfect. The first pancake I think evenly distributes the heat throughout the pan. The second pancake does go golden. So the time when you know you need to flip is when the outskirts of the pancake are starting to cook. If you're using normal flour, you don't get so many bubbles to indicate, but if you're using self-raising flour, you get these perfect mosaics of bubbles. So when you see the edge starting to cook, and when you see this mosaic of bubbles forming, that's the time to flip. Scoop and slap. It's like bend and snap, but you get a tasty pancake out the other end. And it's really important that the flipped pancake has raw batter slapping onto the hot pan. Other side is nice and golden too. I think having a little tail on your pancake after you flip it is the hallmark of a perfect pancake, because it means you flipped at the right time. It means you flipped when there was still liquid pancake batter on the top. Also, when I've run out of milk in the past, I have used sour cream or creme fraiche or cream. That seems to also work fine. So yeah, pancakes are easy, use what you have and enjoy. So that's it. That's all my tips for making lovely fluffy gold pancakes. Feel free to stick around and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I am a PhD student living in Scotland and make videos about whatever I fancy. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!